Discover lamb's quarter superfood in your backyard. Super greens powder recipe. Did you know that one of the most nutritious superfood is growing in your backyard for free? Lamb's quarters, a common weed, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system and support overall health. Welcome back to our simple home. Here I am in my backyard and I have lots of weeds here right now and I have to pick them. This is the lamb's quarter. This is how it looks. I just pick them, take off the roots and then put it in the bowl. I have cold water in there because it's super hot right now and I don't want them to wilt. So here I have to weed a lot. I have another container where I put the other weeds in. I don't know yet what to do with them, so maybe I will figure out some more about my other weeds. But right now I have lots to pick and lots of lamb's quarters in between here, and I will use them. If they have a hole or something in there, I just throw them to the other weeds, but otherwise I use them if they are good. And yeah, I pick lots of weeds here. I still have lots to go. There's lots of other weeds. The garden is growing beautiful. I'm very happy with it. And yeah, when you see it, it's a week or two later. This is the app I use to identify the lamb's quarter at the beginning. It's called Picture This. I used the free version. I didn't pay for it, and then just take a picture of it and then I know it's lamb's quarter, and so there you go. I have enough for today, so I wash them with cold water and then check if there is something. I just take it out. Otherwise I wash them and then I rotate them in this lettuce bowl rotator. I don't know how it's called, but yeah, you know what I mean. I just transfer them over there as much as I can. Did you know years ago they called lamb's quarter wild spinach? Yeah, it is a good source of vitamin A and C and minerals like calcium, magnesium. It provides protein and dietary fiber. Altogether, it's pretty good. And if you have it for free in your backyard, why not use it, right? And if you have a dehydrator and all that thing, what you need for it, it's really good to use. So now I spin the lamb's quarters so all the water gets out of there, so they are dehydrating faster. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me and that helps my channel a lot. Thank you. There you go. I spinned it. And now I transfer it over to my dehydrator. I take off the stems. I'm not sure if you have to, but I just like to take them off and fill the trays up with all those leaves. Yeah, I somehow stumbled onto a video about weeds in your backyard you can actually use. I'm not sure how it was called. If I find it, I will link it below. It's not sponsored at all. Even the app is not sponsored. Nothing is sponsored. But I thought I want to listen to that video, so I listened to it and then I heard about those lamb's quarters. So I thought I have to try that because everything getting so expensive right now, and this is free. And if you can use it, especially in the winter time when you need all those stuff. So in the summer, we just eat it like that. And we also have spinach in the garden and lettuce and everything. So you eat it fresh. But if this has lots of vitamins and all that and minerals, it's really good to use for the winter time, I thought. So why not use it if you have a lot of it? And we are not spraying our garden and all that, so it's organic and if you buy that in a store, actually in a health store, you pay quite a bit for it. And at home you have it for free. And you can just pick it and use it. It's just amazing. If you have a freeze dryer, it's even better. I don't have a freeze dryer, but if you have one, use that one. It's really good. It keeps the nutrition even better. But yeah, use with what you have and go with it. It's a very good superfood, those super greens. And you can even add that just to other greens you have. Let's say spinach, kale, whatever you have, or even those dandelions and all that. It's really good to add a little bit to your smoothie in the winter time. That would be awesome. I got 3 trays full packed with those lamb's quarter leaves and a bowl for supper. Here, this is what we had for supper. That is a croissant. I can link you the recipe. It's with sourdough, and then we have their veggie plant-based sausage, and then the lamb's quarters, tomatoes, and cucumbers, corn, sweet corn aside. So I always fill up my dehydrator, so I had some mangoes. I use that for tea. I dehydrate them. I turn on the dehydrator onto 45 degrees Celsius. It's about 113 Fahrenheit, I believe. And let it stand overnight for about 12 hours or so. Then I take them out and fill them into a Ziploc bag or something, and then later on I will make a powder out of it. Here I have my spinach started molding, so I decided to take all out and take all those small leaves and use it also for the super greens. So I pulled everything out from the spinach and took all the leaves, and here I have them on my dehydrator trays. Once I'm ready, I take the Ziploc bag with my lamb's quarter, fill it into my Thermomix mixer, or just some kind of a machine, a high power machine where you can powder it, or even a coffee grinder works, I heard. So yeah, try out whatever you want, whatever you decide to, and yeah, transfer them over and then mix them into a powder. I did that in 2 steps. I didn't want to pack the machine too full, so I just powder it and then put some more in and powder again. Here you go, it's nice and fine, nice powder, I like it. Then I add my spinach to it, add whatever greens you like to it and make it to a powder as well, and use it. It won't be very much, because if you make it to a powder, it's very fine and it's very not much at all. If you have those leaves, it's a lot in a big Ziploc bag and all that, but if you powder it, it's not much at all. I add the last part of spinach to it and then mix it one more time, then I'm all done for this time. So I mixed it very well. Here you go, this is all the powder I got. It doesn't look much at all, but I think you just need a teaspoon or so. So I labeled my glass container. Here's the super greens. I got a pint container, and now I transfer all the powder over. Yeah, it's not much, but I would use only a teaspoon for our whole family probably. In our smoothie, I can link you the smoothie recipe I use down below as well. We like it. We have it every morning, and then we just add here and there something. So like those super greens you would add, and yeah, we'll see, maybe something else sometimes here and there. Every time you learn something new, right? You try it out. There, and this is how it looks. Just a nice powder. Very green, and it tastes really strong. You can even taste those minerals and vitamins. It's really strong. Well, try it out. If you have to eat anyways, you can just sort those lamb's quarters out and have super greens and superfood powder. It's awesome, and thank you so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next, or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.